So I'm going to show you the fastest way to push your GitHub repo right here. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and create a new repo. And I'm going to call these forms /tags. Alright. So that's what you want to do. I'll leave it as public and then I'll just go ahead and say create repo. And here we have this. So you just want to go ahead and copy the first three right here. Then go to your code. So I'm opening my VS Code, paste this in the terminal right here. You can go ahead and say git add dot. That's to add everything there. Then you want to go ahead and just copy this last one and paste it right there. Refresh this page, you see that your code is available right here. So you have successfully pushed to GitHub. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with Drew. Bye. See you next time.